In the last episode, I left you all with the revelation that you have already been encoding semiotic science. Does this mean Semiosis 101 has made itself redundant? Obviously not. The reality, as you are all aware from my statements, is that without perceiving it, every aesthetic decision you make has the potential to be meaning bearing. Yes, every line, mark, shape, colour you manipulate has the potential for meaning bearing. But what meaning? Visual miscommunication can be made. Your audience can perceive alternate meanings from your visual communication outputs. Or, worst case scenario, the audience just does not perceive at all what you are trying to visually communicate. Semiosis, as a pragmatic semiotic theory, just provides creatives with a framework to strengthen the visual communication of your intended visual messages. This all begins with sketching ideas.